Hi all, this is a recap of the World Motorcycle Day event at Bangalore. This was on 23rd June. This is the entrance to the event, and as you can see, different brands of motorcycles were present on display today, and you can see Triumph over there. A lot of safety gear and accessories were on display and on sale. This was a wheelie practice setup here by TVS. A lot of stalls for accessories, anything bike related. I had gone here in the morning. I was there till the afternoon. This is the area to have lunch or breakfast. A lot of stalls. You have Motor Torque here, TVS, and a lot of exotic super bikes. From Kawasaki to Ducati, BMW, Suzuki. These were a handful of vintage motorcycles and scooters as well. This was very cool. Next, we have the main stage to the event where biker groups had a reward ceremony. I was not sure what was going on. Actually, didn't pay much attention to the stage performances, but I was just looking around. Barrel exhaust. This was a stunt show by a team from TVS. This was really entertaining. And some short clips ahead. Up next, you have the Aprilia RSV4 and the BMW S1000RR. Couldn't record much as there were a lot of people. Harley Davidson IN 883, and a